Hi guys, let's talk about quantum leaps, shall we? And yeah, from atomic level and then from the physical level and or spiritual level. And I've got a little drawing here which I've attempted to do that you can see. So basically, if I look at this drawing, we've got the nucleus, and then we've got energy levels, the frequencies, and then the little dots are the electrons. And I've got a little arrow. So a quantum leap is basically when this electron jumps to this, so this one there jumps to that one there. Okay, so that's what it calls it's called a quantum jump and or quantum leap, and it's the smallest measure of energy that an electron can jump from one place to another. You will think, so what? What's that got to do with quantum leaping? Well, we are all made of electrons, photons, neutrons, atomic level, isn't it? Photons is the smallest unit, isn't it? Till they find that another one. But at the moment it's photons. And basically, my question when I was, working out through the science, trying to work out the puzzle of life and what we are made of, it was when I saw if our body is made of electrons and they're constantly quantum jumping, quantum leaping, what is said that we are not experiencing that because a quantum leap is a change of frequency, and we should be checking, increasing our frequency and quantum leaping and being free. And obviously, the reason is because we are blind, we are asleep. So basically, if you are fast asleep, you're not going to see the quantum leap, isn't it? Because you're asleep, your eyes are closed, you're sleepwalking maybe through the matrix. So this is why only a few people experience quantum leaps, which is what happens when you awaken. When you're working, the first thing you're gonna see is a big eye in front of you with big lashes opening. And it's not that people doesn't see the eye when they close, their mind. Lots of people see the eyes. It's one of the most common things to see. It's what follows that makes you know that you've opened the third eye, which is the quantum leap. So basically, you jump from one place to another. But the most amazing thing is that when the electron jumps from one energy to another one, scientists don't know where the electron goes. It disappears. So it doesn't like journey, like I'm jumping, boom, boom, boom. No, it appears in one energy and then it does a quantum leap and it appears in another energy level. I thought, well, how can that be? And then when I did quantum leap, something that I actually experienced is I actually traveled 5 days. So basically, I woke up and it had been past 5 days, and everybody had done their life in those 5 days, but I didn't. Nothing happened in those 5 days for me. And it was an author and I was saying, you've got this appointment telling me the source that it's been 5 days. Before I did one which it was from went to sleep and then I was going to go to sleep. I look at the clock. I say, oh, it's about 12 a.m. And then I do a little stretch. I turn round. I said, shall I close the curtain? I said, well, it's late, so it's no point. And when I turned round, it was daytime. And then I turned round and it was 6 a.m. I thought, you've got to be kidding me. In a matter of a split second, I just jumped 6 hours. I didn't know it was a quantum leap yet. Oh my God, I'm traveling through time. And that's what happens when you quantum leap. And lots, I remember as well, once watching on the internet some news, and then 2 months later, um, the news come and they were new, brand new. And I was telling my spanner, this is what happened. I said, but how do you know? This is just came to the light. I said, but I saw it 2 months ago. That kept happening to me because you're quantum leaping, yeah, so you're constantly quantum leaping. Is that I say it, and people that are unconsciously asleep, they don't say it. And that what means to have a quantum leap. And when people ask me, how long does it take for you to experience that, to awaken? Well, I'm going to explain it in the next video, guys, but do watch this one. Obviously, if you're watching this, you've seen it. But do watch the one of double agents, because the three of ones are linked together to what's how long does it take and why does it take so long. It's for protection, because I don't think people realizes that as soon as you wake up, the shadows, the metrics, it's not that they're going to self-sabotage and try to weaken you. They're going to try to kill you. So you need an army in place to protect you. And before that army is in place, you cannot wake up. Everything needs to be saved. It was my coach and husband at Amor, the one who made sure that everything was safe for me to open the third eye. He was behind the scenes, like the spiritual teacher would be behind the scenes with the source to make sure that your third eye is opened and all the help is in place. But anyway, guys, I will talk a bit more. And if you see the 3 videos, you'll have an amazing picture of. Yeah, sorry, the computer is moving. It's not me, it's my kitten tapping it because she wants some attention from behind. My apologies. She just does that when I do videos. Anyway, guys, till next video with unconditional love and goodbye.